Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Dogecoin on Bitvavo. First of all, make sure that you log into your account and make sure that you have available balance on your account. If you have no idea how to deposit money to your Bitvavo account, then please check out the eye right here in the top. Then after this we go to assets, and then from here click on search, and then we search for Dogecoin. Right now we click here on Dogecoin and we want to buy Dogecoin. So what we need to do now is click here on buy. Now you need to know that you can do two things. You need to buy minimum 5 euros of Dogecoin. Under 5 euros you can't buy that. So what we need to do is we need to fill in 5. But you can also change it by tapping on the 2 arrows and then fill in 30 Doge. So like this. Now we click here on preview order, and right now if you click here on buy Doge, we successfully purchase Dogecoin on Bitvavo. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.